Hi mga mamis! Come with me to make executive checkup here at Ace Medical Center, Mandaluyong City. I'm actually excited kasi magpapacheck up kami kahit wala naman kami nararamdaman na major symptoms. At first time ko din magpa-check up ng ganito kaya curious din ako kung ano-ano yung mga test na kasama. So ayun pala yung package na kinuha namin. Kasama na dito ang CBC, kidney test, blood sugar test, cholesterol, urinalysis, liver test, and uric acid. So basically, hindi lang isang part ng katawan yung chinecheck. May iba't ibang aspect ng health na kino-cover. Kaya ang galing kasi sa halagang 3,500, ang dami ng kasama sa package. For me, importante din na kahit wala tayong nararamdaman, we still make time to have our health check. Kasi mas okay na magpa-check up at maagapan, isa saka lang tayo magpapatingin kapag may nararamdaman na. Prevention is always than cure, right? As a parent, palagi nating inuuna ang mga anak natin, so this time, tayo naman. So ayun, sobrang bilis lang din pala ng procedure. Kukuhaan ka lang ng blood and urine sample. After around 4 hours, pwede mo na makuha ang result via Viber or email. Ang convenient, diba?
So if you're a mom like me, consider this is your sign. Huwag na nating antayin na magkasakit pa tayo bago natin alagaan yung health natin. So that's it. Thank you, Ace Medical Center Mandaluyong. Bye!